Welcome to my class, your class. Hello, friends. Today we are going to a restaurant. Let's learn English together. I'm hungry.
Me too, let's eat.
Hello, welcome. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Here's your table, here's the menu.
Pizza?
Burger.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a pizza, please.
I would like a burger, please.
What would you like to drink?
I would like juice, please.
I would like water, please.
Here's your pizza and your burger.
Thank you. Yummy.
So good. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Here it is.
Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye, see you soon.
Great job. Let's say it together. I would like pizza. I would like juice. Can I have the bill, please? Bye-bye.